everyone, it's Nataliedrewy here. Before I start today's video, I'd like to thank you again for 1.5k views for my Tsim Sha Tsui vlog. Since it's been such a hit, as promised, I'm doing a part 2 of Tsim Sha Tsui, so bring your appetite for food and shopping. Tsim Sha Tsui, here we come! Tsim Sha Tsui has so much to offer. Days can't be spent exploring the back alleys and streets of the district. Today, I'll be taking on to explore the local side of Tsim Sha Tsui. As mentioned in my last Tsim Sha Tsui vlog, you can access Tsim Sha Tsui by the MTR, ferry, bus or taxi. As usual, MTR is our top choice. To get to our lunch destination, the best way is to exit at A1 and turn right, which will take you to Haiphong Road.
Do you know where it is?
Walk along the Haiphong Road for a few minutes, you'll see the Haiphong Temporary Market. It looks like nothing from out here, but when you go inside, you will see a little hidden area. I think this way, yeah. Walk through it to locate the Cooked Food Hawker Bazaar, a great place for people wanting a quick lunch at a reasonable price. Anything from beef ball noodles to different types of fried rice. The reason why locals like going there is not only because the food is authentic, but also because it is very affordable. Beef fried with onions and chili with rice, with lemon tea. Beef satay noodles and chicken satay noodles. Those restaurants on the opposite side, apparently according to the staff people here, they said that they're closed on Sundays, so unfortunately we didn't get to try their food. After lunch, a short walk along Nathan Road took us to I Square, a medium-range shopping mall including eateries, shops, cafes and a cinema. It is a popular destination for locals to hang out at. Shopping mall overlooks Nathan Road. After a coffee break, we ventured across Nathan Road and walked down Modi Road and up Hanoi Road to Potato Corner, where we tried 4 different flavors of chips. The chips have very unique flavors ranging from barbecue to wasabi mayo. potato corner fries, and buffalo cheesesteaks. One is also a middle-range shopping mall. Takes us back to Nathan Road. We then walked to Mirror Place and bought some snacks from Don Don Donki, a Japanese 24/7 supermarket selling all sorts of Japanese products. Our favorite is the seaweed wrapped with senbei rice crackers. Bento boxes, you can get it as a snack or lunch or dinner whenever you have time. It's at a reasonable price. This one is about below $60. Mirror Place 1 and 2 are both malls situated opposite one another. The Mirror Hotel is located in Mirror Place 1. It was originally opened in 1948 as the Hotel Mirror Mall. It gained a lot of attention in 2013 when Edward Snowden, a former US security agent whistleblower, stayed there for 20 days while on the run from the American authorities before flying to Moscow, where he still lives. There are lots of fashion brands on this walkway, on this whole street, so you can come check it out when you come visit Kowloon Park. Kowloon Park is a free park where you can enjoy the greenery and walk here and relax. For your information, Nathan Road is the main transportation artery of Tsim Sha Tsui. So we crossed Nathan Road into Kowloon Park, the biggest green area in Tsim Sha Tsui. The newest addition to the park is a collection of statues featuring Hong Kong's favourite cartoon characters. It's a nice place to seek refuge from the noise and chaos of Nathan Road. There are other surprises in Kowloon Park, and it is worth spending some time here to explore. As you can see, this wall is full of art. Nice for selfies and pictures. If I walk sideways, it's very pretty. That's K11 Art Mall, which is the same as the K11 Museum we did in our last video, but Art Mall instead of Museum. The Hyatt Regency is on top of the K11 Art Mall, so it's connected. The next stop is the K11 Art Mall, which is the sister mall of the K11 Museum from my first Tsim Sha Tsui vlog. This mall focuses on food and medium-ranged brands. We went to IKEA to explore its food court selling sweet and savoury snacks. We tried the mango ice cream and the frozen yogurt. here at IKEA to try their desserts, because apparently in each country they have different desserts in their IKEA. Dad, what do you think of your yogurt?
I think it's very nice. It's not sweet, it's very tart and very good to eat.
Good for the summer. That gave us the energy to take on the long walk to our dinner destination, the Taiping Kun restaurant, one of a string of restaurants that were established back in the Qing dynasty. This one in Tsim Sha Tsui was the first Western restaurant opened in Hong Kong. The food was substantial with very generous portions. The star of the evening was the giant souffle, for which the restaurant is justly famous. It has been a long and enjoyable day finding out more about the highways and byways of Tsim Sha Tsui. I hope you enjoyed the adventure, so please slam the like and subscribe buttons for more adventures in the future. See you next in Hong Kong's busiest and wealthiest district.